Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 99 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Him and Jacinta answer the questions. We read the questions, we read the answers, and we put the cool, the funny, the weird here for you. And today we are in Medusa's nightclub on the Carnival Legend. They're a little creepy. I feel like I'm being stared at. Anyway, today's topics, we're talking about more mobility scooters in the embarkation photos. What ships has John not been on? USB and battery-powered fans. Bleach and fabric softener used on the boat. And free breakfast room service. All right, question one. This cruiser asked if there's a way for those in mobility scooters to get their photo taken on embarkation day. They always take them on board in a different way, and they always miss out on the embarkation one. John acknowledged this, but said they're only allowed to set up in one area. He knows it's being addressed and on some ships, but not across the fleet, and they will see if they can do something about it. So yeah, they're working on it because it is a kind of a tight area sometimes in the ports where they do the embarkation photos. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know what ships has John not been on, or has he seen them all in person? John said he's been on every single ship in the fleet, and with the exception of the Spirit, he's been the cruise director on all of them up to the Carnival Vista when he changed over to his current role. So yeah, he's been on them all. Whether he's cruising or not, he's visiting them a couple times a year, and he loves it. So speaking of love, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, now to question three. This cruiser asked if they had to put their USB or battery-powered fan in their carry-on or in their checked luggage. John said, personally, put it in the carry-on. He said it's not a written rule, but it makes it easier because they may see it when they x-ray it for the baggage, pull it out, and now you're out of a fan. We put them in both, and we've never had it confiscated. We do actually have a little corded one. And we've had it in our carry-on, we've had it in the regular luggage, it's made it every time. So just make sure it's not bigger than 12 inches. That is the max you can take. Carry-on or luggage, they will take them over that. This cruiser asked if what they use on the boats. They are chemically sensitive, and they wanted to know what bleach and or fabric softener were used in the laundry. They know they can bring their own on, but was hoping a more neutral product was used. John said the ones they use are totally neutral and should not cause any problems. That said, you cannot bring your own detergent onto the ships. The ones that do their ships that have their own laundry, you have to use theirs. So yeah, don't bring it on, but their stuff is neutral, so you should be just fine. All right, last question. This cruiser asked him to bring back free room service. They would always start their day on the balcony, drinking coffee, enjoying the day, watching the water until they were ready to go to port, and they wanted their breakfast on board, and they wanted the free room service breakfast back. John said, bring it back. It never went away. It's always been there. So regular room service, yes, there's a charge for it, but the free continental breakfast, and you can get a carafe of coffee, is absolutely free. You do have to call room service the night before, and they will have it delivered between 6 and 10 a.m. But yeah, they might have been confused because they used to have the little paper door hangers where you check it off, you hang it on the door outside, they come around, they collect it. Can you imagine how much time that takes? Let's say it's a ship with 4,000 people on it. That's a lot of paper to collect. So just call room service the night before. I think you got to do it before 8 or 10. I don't know the exact time. But do it early in the day, and then yes, you will have it delivered at your designated time the next day. Nice and easy. That's been episode 99 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.